Welcome back to another episode of Joy Sri Kadai Katha English, and today we are going to make this wonderful recipe of our face, which is a river face and which grows only in river. And we are going to make this recipe with the potato, onion, tomato, and basic masala. Before we start this recipe, please put a like and in the comments say Jai Hind Jai Bharat. I've taken ginger in a mixer grinder, garlic, green chili, and a few red chili and onion into paste, and tomato a paste separately, both in a separate paste. And I've marinated our fish with turmeric and salt. Now we will keep this for 10 minutes and then we'll start frying in two session like I am putting this four fish in the first session and we will cook it till brown, 3 minutes this side and 3 minutes the other side. When this is done, we'll put the another lot, and I'm not showing that lot now, but in the similar way we have to fry this lot also. So after completing this, I have taken the kadai and put little oil and add cumin seed for tempering and stir it for a while. Then put the green chili, onion, garlic, ginger paste, and after this stir fry, I'll add the tomato also. And this also, when it dries up, I'll put the basic masala of turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, spicy red chili powder, and salt, and put boiled potato as well, and then stir it along it so that the masala goes into this and cook evenly. And should not overdo this because the masala should not burn. Before that, I have added the water, and this is for the lunch, so I put little extra water. And after this get boiled, I'll put the fish, and this goes like chicken curry because this fish goes very well with onion and tomato. So in those lines we make this fish curry. So this gives excellent texture, flavor, and whatnot. So after this is done, I will cover it and keep cooking for another 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you can see the potato is so tender and the gravy is looking really yummy. So always you have to do like this. I'll put the garam masala and take it out. And before this, I'll request you to please subscribe my channel. And now the presentation. I have made for the lunch Paat Shaak Bhaja with steamed rice, Aar Mach with potato curry, and raw papaya with masoor ki dal. So this is the plating what I have done, and this goes very well. And I am showing you how I mixed with the rice and eating it. So the same way. Thank you. Bye bye for now. See you in the next week.